Do you make porch leaners to take to the craft shows?
This is a big item with a big statement and big profits.
And we'll show you how to make one right now.
Do it, build it, make it. If you think it, we create it. Do it, build it, make it. With Kim and Garrett, make it.
What is up? Welcome back. Do you like to make money?
So do we.
And today we're talking profitable porch leaners. Big projects with a big price tag.
People love to make a statement with their front porches, especially when you start hitting this fall and holiday season. Fall straight on through to Halloween, straight on through to Christmas. People love to make a front porch statement, and porch leaners are a great way to do that. You can see them from the street. Door hangers are nice, but a porch leaner you can definitely see from the road. If you've been following our channel for a while, you know that we love to do a porch leaner. Garrett can take 2 porch pickets or fence pickets and turn them into some amazing things. So we've got some of our friends right here behind us. I'm going to introduce you because all of these kits are on our website, kngmakeit.com. So you've got Sam, Neil, he's forever in blue jeans. That's our scarecrow. You got Tom, our little Tom Turkey. These are our OGs. This is your all-season leaner here. This is our welcome to our home with our little interchangeable wreath here in the middle. Also just a straight welcome sign. You've got Harry over here. This is our Nutcracker. And of course you've got welcome, we've been dying to meet you, our coffin porch leaner. It's amazing what you can do with just a couple of porch pickets.
Fence pickets are super cheap. So
Yeah,
I
porch
love to
pickets,
use them
fence
as a
pickets.
base.
Yeah.
They're a great base to then add some cheap MDF and some paint. Boom, big ticket item.
That's right. So these porch pickets, geez.
Yeah, you really love those porch pickets.
Right. It's not even a thing. Porch pickets aren't even a thing. Fence pickets are $2.28 right now. Price fluctuates, but they're usually less than $3,
Yeah.
$3 to $4 max.
During the pandemic, they got expensive. They're in the $4 range, but they're back down.
Yeah, $2.58 is what I saw on the Lowe's website. I didn't go get any for this particular project because we're going to try something new. But for $5, you've got yourself a nice base for your leaner. And then for about $10, we're using about $10 worth of MDF to put on our leaner today. You're talking $15 in materials. And we sell these things from $70 to $100.
Yeah, well, Tom here, he's just on a 1x12 that was 4 foot tall. You could probably use that same 1x12 for today's project.
These are, the 2 pickets with some braces across them. Harry here is also 2 pickets. You can't even tell.
Yeah.
So is Neil, 2
Neil.
pickets. And
Sam
so is
is
Uncle
2
Sam
pickets.
over here. I
love a 2-picket project.
Yeah, porch leaners are a great seller and a real way to add a big splash to your front porch. Let's see what we've got for you today.
Step 1, we're gonna gather all of our supplies. We needed a big sheet of 1/4-inch MDF because we're cutting out all of our pieces, including what I would use for the pickets.
So this is 48 by 36.
Yep.
And this is going to go in our big laser. Fits right in there. We're going to be using our Foxy Hues paints. These are outdoor house paints, so indoor, outdoor, but they've got all of those weather-resistant properties in there, so it's perfect for a front porch leaner.
And then we'll be using some Starbond Thick to bring it all together. This stuff is quick dry, and it's pretty much there forever. And that is it. Step 2, we're going to make all of our cuts. We're going to bring this giant sheet of MDF over to the Eon Nova 14 and we'll cut out all of our pieces.
Now, like I said, this project is a little bit different than what we typically do. We're trying something new. Now, you can do this with 2 fence pickets, not porch pickets because they're not a thing. 2 fence pickets, but we are actually going to use MDF as our backer. Why? Because we have a skeleton that's going to be a second layer of a backer. We really just want to see how well this is going to hold up. So this is a little bit of a test project. We'll keep you informed on social media how it's going through the month of October, but we want to use this as the leaner. So it is going to be the base and it's going to be the top pieces that we normally put on here. We're going to use the MDF for both pieces, but just know that yes, you can use a 1x12 or you can cut down 2 fence pickets, either way.
I have a lot of MDF, so I'm going MDF. Pardon me, excuse me, pardon me.
If you don't have a 55 by 36 inch bed like this guy, Don't worry, Garrett has created a desktop version. You can cut it in your desktop size laser.
It should all fit within 12 by 20. You're gonna have to pardon
Seriously,
the crack.
look at my front pocket. What's in my front pocket?
Oh, are you happy to see me? Step 3. And now we paint. But we're not gonna paint with this brush. We're actually gonna paint with some 4-inch foam rollers.
First thing we're gonna do is pop out all of our little pieces, set up our little tape palette, and get this thing started.
I love tabs. I mean, all of my pieces are right here in one frame, easy to pop out.
Yeah, that's just the inside of a bone. Probably didn't even get a little
It's like a
tab.
bag of bones right here.
Like we said, we're doing things a little bit different. So this is going to be a 4-foot porch leaner. So these lengths of MDF here are at what, 4 feet? These are
47
4 feet?
inches.
47 inches.
Yeah, so it'll fit on a sheet.
So this is to be our front piece. We're gonna pop our letters out of the back piece, and now we've got 2 layers of MDF. Let's see how this works. We're just gonna have to watch it. I really think we might be okay now that we've got this painted with our outdoor house paint. And I think it's gonna 2 layers of MDF, 1/2 inch. It's gonna hold up to the lean for the month. And we'll go from there.
Tried to leave enough material back here to help support it. So I did cut the letters out, but I
I'll show
left
you the
big
back when
gaps.
we're done.
Yeah, I left big gaps in the letters, so hopefully
As
it'll
bracing?
help hold it. Yeah.
We don't want this in there.
All right, now I'm getting kind of excited now that I see the whole thing here.
We've been trying to do a skeleton porch leaner for quite a while, but it was so hard. We just didn't want him being a skeleton leaning on 2 pickets. That's way too boring.
Or I saw a bunch that's a head, the arms and the legs, and then it says welcome in the body. Just didn't do it for me. I wanted something that could be a little spooky, but kind of cute.
Yeah, you could go
Spooky
either.
cute,
Yes,
yeah.
you could go either way with this one.
Whoa! You see that bubble pop
No,
out?
I did not.
I'll start the backer here while you paint
Okay.
the purple.
We're applying our Twilight Train. Again, a couple of thin coats is better than 1 thick coat. And in between these, we use the hair dryer to give it a quick dry so we can keep painting.
For the backer, we decided we wanted to add a little bit of interest, so we painted it the purple color. This Twilight Train. And now we're just gonna come in with some of that Midnight Bandit mask, the black, roll it real quick, and while it's still wet, we're gonna come in with the wood grain tool, 2 minutes, give it some nice interest. It makes it look a little more high-end too. It gives it a little more something other than just hand painted.
I mean, you can do it just in black and add the letters on it, but you know.
You know us.
Yeah.
We love a
gotta
good
go
wood
extra.
grain.
Gotta make it extra.
I'm not even gonna do like a good.
You're doing the whole thing at one time, not like
Oh,
even
no.
halvesies. Oh, you're just doing
Just
one
doing this half, yeah.
stripe at a time. Okay. Okay.
All right, still wet, wood grain in it. I'm gonna 2-hand it just to keep it.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. I'm with you.
Yeah, you liking that?
I was hesitant on the. I was like,
Yeah, look at that. I was looking.
looks like 2 pickets is what it's gonna
Man,
look like.
I love a wood grain. It's gonna look like 2 pickets. I'm not even going heavy with the paint. It's pretty dry roller for me.
I know. Put a little more paint on there. I think.
Oh no, it'll be good. You don't need a lot. Coming right back in.
Just making sure he's got all of the paint
clear
out
channel.
out of the grain. Yeah.
I'm just doing a slow rock, trying to get nice long grains.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Nice and spooky. You know what you could have done? I am going to put glow in the dark on the letters.
Oh yeah, we're glowing.
But I
the
could
dark,
have
the
put
letters.
some glow in the dark before I wood grained, you know, so it kind of glows behind there.
All right, I'm liking that.
That looks great. That looks great. Now we're going to do a quick coat of Foxy Fire and Ash Avenger on the skulls.
And of course, I love my glow in the dark. This thing's gotta glow if it's gonna go. Step 4. Time to assemble. We're gonna use some of this Star Bond thick, and we're gonna bring it all together.
Now, if we were doing this on Porch Pickets, we would use wood glue to attach the MDF to the
Wood?
fence picket. I said Porch Pickets. Fence pickets. We would use wood glue to attach MDF to wood. But because this is an MDF backer, we can just keep using the Star Bond for the whole project.
Now for the backer piece, I'm going to try to hit all these meaty pieces to get the backer or the board piece to stick well. For the sign piece that's going to go on this backer here, we're just going to line it up at the corners. All 4 corners should just line up. And then we can barely see all of our score marks, so we're just going to try to line them up. I mean, the wood grain really made it hard to see the letters, but...
And the great thing is, Garrett was able to connect all of these tiny little skull pieces together, so it's really not too bad. For a lot of little pieces turns into just a few.
Like a dozen?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready? Boom! There it is. Look at that. Now, I think the MDF will work fine. It will be fine. You know, I see MDF leaners in Michael's and Hobby Lobby all the time, and they sell. And this one's way cooler. This one's 3D. Most of theirs are just like printed.
So
this one is.
This is just $10 worth of MDF.
Yeah.
So you can make these and sell these 55, 65.
I think this
is
guy
a
would go
4-footer.
75.
Well, he's 4-footer, so he comes up to about right here on me.
Yeah.
Right?
Here, let's drop them on the
Let's
ground.
see. Oh, about right here on
Oh,
me.
there you go. Chest height.
But man, does he look great.
Man, he looks good. Here, you want to hold him?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm about out of time. I got to go pump out a couple of more of these money makers right here. You got to go cut your own and show me what you're working with.
There's so many color options for this too.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Big thanks to all of our patrons. We love you guys, and that is the best way to support this channel. Join us over on Patreon, where you get a little extra content. You get all of our SVGs for free. And it's just a good time over there. This guy is begging to be balanced by his toe. Come on, Barry. Let's go. Oh, look at that. The symmetry. Whoa. Barry almost got away from us. This is Barry Bones.